of babbling. Gotta catch up some things from the Democrat National Committee. There is a member of the City Council in Chicago, Raymond Lopez. And for people who don't know what's going on in the cities, African-American people are being alerted to the fact that replacement theory isn't just a white nationalist theory. It never was. There is a fact that there is an effort to replace native-born Americans with the newcomers who have a view of government that government should supply them everything they need. And the Democrats love this because it's destroying the electoral college count, it's empowering Democrat cities and counties with more votes than they should have in Congress, 23 to 28 new conversion seats. It's a backdoor to overtake the electoral college because they can't do it on a constitutional limit. It is no less than that. So now, though, in cities like Chicago, a lot of black people are saying, hey, wait a minute. We're noticing Texas, you're paying for this program, this overthrow of the electoral college system. So black people in Chicago should have said, wait a minute, that's why my kid can't get into the school now because there's a lot of promise that housing. Now, for the Democrats, this is going to lead to the same frustrations that have led to people in England who have never demonstrated politically, never rioted for sure, going to the streets and doing both those things. So this Democrat, who's a member of the Chicago City Council, Raymond Lopez, he actually went on Fox News, the enemy, and talked about his view of the Democrat National Convention and how he views it in terms of his job and the people he represents. And it's not a kind interpretation he offers.
Democrats winning any new voters at this convention. I highly doubt it. I think this is all playing to their own base, not trying to recruit the people, because clearly the Democratic Party, my party, is not interested in talking about what matters. How are you going to keep people safe? How are you going to secure the border? And how are you going to deal with the 8 million undocumented individuals that they let in under Kamala Harris's lead?
The Democrat National Committee is not going to back him, and maybe he's a guy who doesn't care. In that case, God bless him. One of the great weapons against getting seduced into politics as a living is to not care and to state up front, I'm not running again. I don't want to be in politics forever. I'm only doing this as a job. Those are hard people to control. One of the reasons that people dislike President Trump is he's hard to control. You know Reverend Raphael Warnock from Georgia? As I recall the story, during a messy divorce proceedings, and by the way, find me a non-messy divorce. And some friends of mine are getting divorced, and for a while they were living in that afterglow, that happy time where they had a terribly tumultuous, troubled marriage. And having made the decision to finally end it, both of them were a little bit euphoric. Not right now, because reality is hitting. And it's very, very difficult for them, and we are all praying for them.
Okay,
These are... So during a messy divorce, Raphael Warnock apparently ran over his ex-wife's foot. And then there was an effort to seal these records, to have it unknown. He was also involved. His church apparently had low-income housing that turned out to be very, very much slums. But Raphael Warnock, he's a fighter on behalf of the people. He's a socialist. And this is weeks after President Trump narrowly...